Create a contour using an aluminum plate. Replaceable contoured aluminum plates are placed on the blue soft surface of the pre-1824 vacuum table. First, place the aluminum replacement plate. When the vacuum switch is turned on, the aluminum plate can be clamped. Aluminum plates with holes can still be clamped. First, place the replaceable contour ring. Precision machining achieves a good seal. Place the ceramic bowl in the contour ring. Turn on the vacuum switch of the vacuum table. The ceramic bowl can be clamped. Precise fit is required between the ceramic bowl and the contour ring. Prevent vacuum leakage. Do you know the principle behind this? Feel free to discuss in the comments section.